All right, it's Pat from EAS Landscaping. We are in South Philly, Girard Estates, and starting out for a paver. Patio back there, PVC vinyl fence along here, coming all the way up to the house. And this is the beginning of the play, of the drama. So, taking a before video, and we'll do some in-progress videos. So, should be looking really nice. So stay tuned. All right, so it's Pat from EAS Landscaping. We are in the middle of an extremely hot day in the city of brotherly love, trying to get our patio rectangle 22 by 12 all set up. We put in a vinyl fence, Freedom from Lowe's. We gotta do some cuts here. Come over here, they're building their patio over there, and then these guys are down here setting the end post and making it plumb. All our equipment is there. We have our stones delivered out front, and we're going to continue to work even though it's really hot, so stay tuned. All right, round two. So we're back. It's a little bit cooler today. These guys are reworking their patio over there. It's Pat from EAS Landscaping, so we're going to continue our base here. Got to dig out a little bit more. It's hard to get equipment in through there, so we're literally doing it manually. These guys are going to continue with the fence. Much cooler today. It's supposed to get rain later today, so we're going to work through the rain. There's one of our helpers right there, but he's a union, so that's why he's kind of lazy. See, he just left. Anyway, stay tuned. It's going to look really nice. Continuing on, so as we dig out here, we're able to put the dirt, the soil, I'm going to repurpose it along this fence here, actually put it out into the yard, so that's super helpful. So, starting to rain here, so what we're going to do is we're going to get this down to a level we like. Probably going to hand tamper it, for better or for worse, if you want to get exercise, and then we'll get a plate compactor to vibrate the crush down. And then finally on the top, we put the pavers down to vibrate the finishing sand in. So anyways, stay tuned. All right, so here's where we are. We had a little bit of rain and we're kind of prepping the ground for the paver sand on top. I'm gonna screed it out. I'm gonna lay these rectangle, these blocks that we bought at the owner bought at Lowe's, so there'll be rectangles across. We're probably going to stagger the seams, but we're not sure yet. The fence is up. These guys did a great job. We had a hell of problems with that corner and a couple other places in here. There was a giant thing under there, so it's looking good. It's a little messy today. It's a pretty hard job, but these guys are working really hard, so stay tuned. All right, it's Pat from EAS Landscaping. A lot of noise. There's a compactor next door. Just like we have plate compactors, these guys are going to lay down this patio. It's 16 by 24 inch stone that they bought from Lowe's. Actually 15.5 by 23.5. Has one flat side and a rigid side. It'll look real nice. Horse is back there screeding and leveling. Raymond's helping with Sam. We got Reggie helping to level the ground, and Eddie's back by the sandbag. So, those kids are fighting on the porch, but they're good kids. So, should be done in a little while. It's a pretty hard project because of it wasn't totally level. Because the fence comes this way and goes back and comes this way, so it looked really nice. We're gonna put some crushed stone around the edge and bricks probably in the front, repurposed bricks from that porch back there. So anyway, EAS Landscaping in South Philly. Long day today. EAS Landscaping. It's 6:45. We are almost done. This is all in. Horace Brooks, he did all this himself, so he gets all the credit. H. Brooks. We're almost done. I'm going to come back tomorrow and clean a few things up. Looks good. All right. So Job well done by EAS Landscaping. There's the homeowner out there whitewashing, power washing rather. So we get the patio back in, the fence all the way around. Some great privacy. Really nice looking patio back there too. So they'll be happy with that. They're gonna put a shed in the back and a pool there. So anyway, EAS Landscaping. Billy, give us a call.